My name is ColinHoffman. I am a recent transfer student to CSU pursuing a major in sociology and a minor in science communication. I have been working and researching, ideating, creating my own content online under the handle The Sociologist, which is a channel where we explore the science communication through sociology research, exploring and learning, applying, understanding the sciences of what make us human, why we behave the way we do, why we look at the world in the way we do, particularly through the lens of groups and group behavior. So STEM science communication, science, technology, engineering, math, we also include another M for medical as well now. Science communication is necessary and it is starting to bloom. We are starting to see a call for and an onus for science communication to be able to communicate to the public, to those that are learning, to those that are collaborating with these STEM fields in science communication. So something I have started specializing in is soft science communication. A lot of people feel very disparate about the nature of the world we live in today, very often with things like sociology, psychology, politics, philosophy, all of these soft sciences that we do have thousands of years of best practices of ideation and actuation that we can start to understand and pass down through science communication tools, just like we do with the STEM fields as well. So some of my personal experience, I was classically trained as a commercial electrician. I had an opportunity in 2020 to try my hand at college again and made a hard left turn from electrical engineering to social engineering. So I have spent the last 3 years in an assistantship for research and also co-lecturing intercultural, interpersonal, as well as some pop culture communication courses at Community College of Denver under Professor Brian Weaver, who's one of my research partners that I also have co-authored research with. In this time, I have been working, building my own portfolio as a research consultant while I'm pursuing my degrees. I'm too impatient to wait for my degree to start getting my feet wet in the field. That may have come from my construction background. So in this time, I've done consulting for sales, I've done consulting for religious communications, I've done some stuff on LGBT communications between these different groups as well. So a lot of this personal content and ideations is published online through various social media platforms and archived under the handle The Sociologist, while I'm also doing my own personal research and collaborative research, co-authoring with others. One of my big proud moments was earlier this year I did my first TEDx talk. I saw an opportunity here in Colorado, figured I can get a practice application out of the way. Turned out they turned into a practice presentation because they accepted. It was a very general one on tools that we can use for self-exploration. I do have the information there if anyone would like to check it out. So the understanding and application that I enjoy is disparate groups. I say disparate, not disagreeing, because many of these groups are just different due to the culture, due to the backgrounds and identities of groups of people and how we herd and flock and the group behavior of that. So a lot of this is conspiracy mindedness. The most extreme ideological minds that we have, if we can put those into a vacuum and narrow down how to communicate with people, regardless of agreeing with them, those successes in communication can be passed on and likely apply to everyone else as well. So these social structures and patterns are kind of like the matrix that we can see behind those, and those are the things that I seek to convey understanding for. So science communication and science fiction are two sides of the same coin. In general, I do believe that collaborative science communication is usually what we call science writing. Scientists talking to scientists. Science communication is scientists talking to the public, like Bill Nye the Science Guy, Magic School Bus, Neil deGrasse Tyson. We also have science fiction as entertainment. Just this weekend, I was in Fort Collins Comic-Con and got to meet Erin McDonald. She's the astrophysicist that is the science advisor for Star Trek. With this course, I hope to gain additional tools and ideations, refine some of these presentation techniques as well to continue down this path of the goal that I have crystallized in my mind for my vision.